Hello my lovely flowers, it's me Nia with Xquisite Floral Design and Events, and this couple of weeks or a couple of times you see me, we're going to be doing a series on Trader Joe's wedding. So today we're going to work on making boutonnieres. I got this from Trader Joe's. I think it was $10 for it. It's a little old because I was supposed to make this video a long time ago. How much is it? Yeah, so it was $9.99. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how we can make all the things that we need from one of these. So this one particularly we're going to work today is we're going to do boutonnieres. And I'm old school. I was formally trained in 2005 on how to make boutonnieres, and we did ours more to where it was we wired and do all that. But what I'm noticing now that a lot of florists are just making it like a hand, or I even do it now, it's more of a hand-tied type of boutonniere. So that is what I'm going to show you right now. So right now we have this lovely boutonniere, lovely bouquet, and let me grab what we're going to need. Okay. So this is all you're going to need. You're going to need some ribbon. You're going to need some wax floral tape, some boutonniere pins, and some lovely scissors. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take what I think would make a nice boutonniere out of here. So definitely I want to cut us some wax flower. We're going to take these spray roses. Let's take 2 of them. Take 2 of these spray roses. I'm sorry you guys, this is a little bit old. And let's take a sprig of this seeded youth. Ooh, excuse me, my water heater. And let's maybe take one of these. So basically, all we are going to do is take what we have, and we're just going to take first our eucalyptus. We're going to lay this back here. We're going to take our flowers, and then maybe we're going to put this right there. And we're going to take these, and we're just going to lay it somewhat around, right? And there is our lovely boutonniere. Now we're going to take our wax tape, and we're going to take this finger right here and lay it, and then we're just going to wrap, pull it as tight as you can, wrap it. Okay, to the front, and then we're just going to cut this at an angle. Okay, you guys, and so now we have our gorgeous boutonniere. We're going to take our ribbon, and so every florist has their own way of doing, ooh, this is hard with scissors, their own way of doing their boutonnieres. But me, take this, and all I do is wrap it right to cover up my stem, and then I take a pin And then I just pin it right here. To find some better scissors, but I don't feel like looking. No more damage than cutting. Let me go get some better scissors. Back. And then all I do is I take my ribbon again and I take it, and this is just how I do my boutonnieres. And I just tie it once. Tie it twice. And there we have it, our lovely boutonniere for, say, your groom and bride. Wasn't that really easy? Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.